Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for the lack of videos again. I'm really fucking useless at this. I have been really busy. We've been messing around with the drift car, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a walk around video of this thing. I'm trying to get this finished. It's getting there. Messed around for a little bit with some stuff. You can't see very much. Been doing some bit of custom designs and stuff. But that should be ready to go soon, hopefully. All the wiring's done, thanks to James. And I got a new GoPro. I got a Hero 8, so I'm hoping everything's a bit more clear and better quality, and hopefully you can actually hear me now. So let me know, because everyone was complaining last time I talked too fucking quiet, so whatever. Matt's car doesn't look much different, but it is. Almost done with his. I bought my car today. It's fucking cold. What's new? What's new? I don't know if I had the wheels on it last time on one of the videos, but no, I did. They were just blue. That was kind of ugly. So got them red on and bronze. Got some genuine stickers on them, so that's pretty cool. What else? The lights. Check this out. A friend of mine in New Zealand who makes custom LED tail lights made these for me, so they're pretty fancy. It's quite cool. How about that? That's another thing I did today actually. Put a reverse camera in because I bought a new head unit. So if we do this, some pretty fancy JVC one. And hopefully this works. Done it right. Check in reverse. Hey, I can see at the back now. And crash into the garage. So yeah. Nice head unit. That's still just chilling. I'm meant to be getting a Motec Dash C127 instead now. So waiting for that to show up. And one of the cool bobs from Powertune in Australia, I believe. Arm and a fucking leg, but whatever, it's cool, so that's all good. What else is new from last time? Engine bay. So I bought out of it and I got this. It's pretty fucking flash. It was pretty bloody expensive too, but hey, whatever, right? I don't care. There's nothing else to spend my money on except for the missus, who I'm engaged to now. If someone, everyone's probably seen that on Instagram and Facebook. Gotta keep her happy. So yeah, that's about all it's got going on at the moment. I've sold the plasma intake, the ARC radiator, and you can't see it, this is in the front, the plasma intercooler. I've ordered a Hypertune intake, Hypertune radiator, and a Hypertune intercooler because I want it all matchy because I'm anal. So that's on the to-do list when that turns up. What else? Yeah, that's about all at the moment on this thing. We'll have a look at the 32 and go over that. So we looked at this thing briefly last time. Been having Dundre go pretty hard on the fab work, so it's getting there. It has intercooler piping now. Nice catch can. Still to make a block breather for it. Put clamps all over it. Some cheap Chong-Az things, just giving them a jam. They're like fuck all. So worth a go. What else? Exhaust is done. It's just a 4-inch downpipe. The screamer's going to come out the guards, and then the exhaust is over here, and it's got one on this side and one on this side. I'll jack it up in the air in a bit and have a look at that. Engine wise, it's an RB30, factory pistons, factory rods, just got ARP rod bolts. It's got an extended sump, 25 VCT head with just some reground cams. I don't know what they were, just got them reground to whatever the guy said to do, so that's all good. It's got valve springs, hyper chong intake because I don't want to spend that much, but then I put a precision turbo on it because I'm precision lord. Exhaust manifold was made by Bernard Lim ages ago, and it was a twin gate one, but we just brewed it up to make it a single gate. Some Chong intercooler, 100mm is the job. It's got a CD009 gearbox on it from a 350Z, and that's been a bit of a pain in the ass to fit because the adapter was from Collins in America. It was like $1,000 for a bloody steel plate, and yeah, I keep hearing mixed stories if they're any good or not, so I'm a bit worried, but I've got it on there, it's fitting. Apparently you can't run a twin plate clutch, but I've got a Tilton style twin that's quite small, so I imagine it should fit, but I guess we'll find out. It's all tube frame, as you can see. Went to town on that. It's got GK Tech steering lock set up on it. I don't know if I can kind of brew up the camera here to take a video. No, that's not going to work. We'll just do this. So it's got pretty decent lock for a 32 actually. I'll have to get old mate Zach Pole in here and he's going to set up all my steering and get it all working for me, because I wouldn't have a fucking clue how to do that. And what else? The rear, it's all tube framed. You can kind of see it. A bit of a jungle gym going on in here. The fuel cell's just going to get mounted there. It's running a 3.5 diff ratio because that's what the 350Z box runs from factory, so I thought I'd give that a go first. I've got a 4.3 to chuck in it, but I don't know if I want to run a 4.3. I might need to swap it for a 4.11 or whatever it is. So if anyone's got a 5x1 LSD for a Skyline or Sylvia or whatever, I don't really care, as long as it's 5x1 and 411, I'm happy to swap them for a 4.3 because I don't really need it. Interior, nothing's really changed, it's just the same as it was before. Probably can't see fuck all. Get my phone light up. Boring. But I did score some Chong, well I think they're Chong, bride seats, because this thing's meant to be done on the cheap. It was meant to be a hack and it just got out of hand. It was just going to be a 25D plus T with like a 20 det small box, but yeah, here we are. I'll put it up and have a look underneath. Got the old torch up. We'll see some things. So, all it is just a 4-inch dump pipe, reduced down to a 3-inch system, then splitting off to a 3-inch system on each side with some pretty nice welding thanks to Dundre. Gotta love how we just wasted the flooring. Who cares? Drift car. It's not going back on the road. It was a GTST, proper factory 20 det manual one, but it's, yeah, rusty as shit. It's got holes in the floor and everything. Hence why it turned into a hack. It was never going to be a road car anyway. There's a 350Z box. Made up a custom bracket for it. So it's all mounted up nicely. It's actually a really fucking tight fit. Kind of don't fit that great. Like, the box sits lower than the bloody chassis rail, but just try not to smash into things. Should be sweet. Besides that, it's pretty boring under here. See how the steering setup. Yeah. Cool. Well, no, there you go. More holes. Beautiful. Look at that. I think the bolt and roll cage is the only thing holding it together. Safety. Should be right. So yeah, that's my wee boring update for you guys. Just a hard and fast one off the cuff. Because, yeah. Actually, so I was going to do that engine build for you guys, and I'm still going to do it. But I've got to build an engine room, hopefully this weekend. So I got the bro Jackie, or Wizard if you want to call him that, with the blue 32 GTR. He's popping over, so he's going to cheer up a bloody engine room for me, and then we can do a nice little video. It's got some open heart surgery going on over here at the moment on this RB26. The crank pulley bolt came loose on it, chewed out the end of the crank, so that's why at Taylor Automotive apparently they can fix that stuff. So he's going to fix it up for me, and then I'm going to biff it back in, put some new bearings in it, check all the measurements, just make sure she's sweet, and they can go back in the hole. It's a full factory engine, so nothing special. So yeah, next week, Monday, I got something cool showing up. Meant to be showing up, so we'll see. It's been sent, so whether or not it gets shipped fast enough, we'll wait and see. But yeah, I'll make a video for that next week. It's gonna be pretty cool. So yeah, it's for my car. It cost me lots of money. It's billet, so it's kind of cool. So that's for next week. I got a few other things actually for it too. I've got some more things on the way. They haven't turned up yet because shipping's fucked. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go home. It's cold. I might chuck the GoPro on the back of the Skyline actually. Do a bit of a video. See if I can like mount it over here or something. Hope it doesn't fly off. Do a bit of video on the drive home. Might get some flames, I don't know. If not, might sound cool. Worth a go. We'll see what happens.